Good morning, children. Let's start today's class. Today, children, we will do the sums or additions with carrying. Previous day, we have learnt how to do the addition of 3-digit without carrying. Today, with carrying, we'll do the 3-digit numbers. How to add the 3-digit numbers with carrying. Okay, children? So, let's start. Children, whenever you are writing, you have to, in your notebook, you have to write date first. Don't forget to write the date. So, you have to mention the date. Then, you have to put the heading and start writing. So, adding 3-digit numbers with carrying. You can open page number 57 from your textbook so that you can follow easily adding 3-digit numbers with carrying. Add 549 and 138. So you have to add 549 plus 138. Here I am teaching you using expanded form. How to do the addition with the help of expanded form. So expanded form means you have to stretch the numbers. How 5 is in 100 position, 4 is in tens position, 9 is in ones position. So 500 plus 40 plus 9. Same 138, 1 is in 100 position, so 130 plus 8. So you have to add it again. 9 plus 8, 70. 40 plus 30, 70. And 500 plus 100 is 600. So total, if you add all these three, what you will get the number? You will get 687. 687. Okay, children? So this is the process how to do with the help of using expanded form. With the expanded form, how you have to do it. And this is the standard. Direct number is the standard form. Okay, children? So let's do some more examples. This is the another example. Add 639 and 287 using expanded form with carrying. Okay? So how to do that? So first we have to write 639. 639 we have to write. Then we have to write 287. So write down just one digit after only. One after another down you have to write. 287. 287. So you have to put the symbol of addition. Now you have to write 100, tens and ones. So you know it will be easy for you to do that. So 6 is in 100 position. Write down 600 plus, then 3 is in tens position, 30 plus 9 is in 1 position, 9. Same 200 plus 80 plus 7. Now you have to add it. If you add 9 plus 7, how much? 9 plus 7, 16. 6. So 1 you have to keep it. Here 16, 1, 6, 16 you have to write. So 0 plus 0, 0. You have to put the addition. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 3, how much? 8 plus 3, tell me? 11. So 110. Then plus. 0, 0 and 6 plus 2, 7, 8. So 800. So now you have to do the addition. So here separately you can do. If you want 800, 110 plus 16. So how you will get 6, then 2, then 8, 9, 9, 26. Got it? How to do? With the help of expanded form, the addition. Correct? We have done. So let us go for next one. Our next one is 736. And next 218. You put the symbol of addition, draw, then you write 100 tens and ones. Okay. Now you have to do with the help of expanded form. So 7 is in 100 position. 700 plus addition symbol you have to put. Then 3 is in tens position. 30. Then again you have to put the addition symbol. Then 6 is in ones. Simple 6 you have to write. Next one, 200 plus 1 is in tens position 10 plus 8 is in 8 position 8. So you add it now. So 8 plus 6 how much? How much, children? 14. 14. Okay. Now you have to put the symbol again plus. Then you have to put 0 0. 3 plus 1 4. Then 0 0. Put the symbol of plus. 0 9. Okay. Now separately you can do it. 900 plus 40 plus 14. So 4, 5, 9. What will be the answer? 954. So this way you can do the addition by using the expanded form method. Okay, children. Now we will do simple direct addition, children. Let's come to the addition. So children, simple addition now. Simple addition how? No expanded form, in short form only with carrying, but it is. How to do? See that here it is written first one. Page number 58 and 59 related questions only these are. Okay. So 100 tens ones you have to write. Before you do the addition, it will be clear for you. It will be easy also for you to do. So 9 plus 8 you have to do. 9 plus 8 you have 17. 9 plus 8 is 17. So 17, 7 you have to keep down and 1 you have to put it up. So 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Next 5 plus 1, 6. Slowly I am writing so that you can also write along with me. So you have to calculate. So we have carried 1. In the tens position we have carried 1. So next one. Let us do the next sum. Okay, children? You write along with me if you can. So 9 plus 7 how much? 9, 10, 16, 6. 1 you have to keep it up. So before I said that 100 tens and ones you write it. It will be easy for you. So 1 I kept. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And 6, 7, 8. Okay, children? So 886 is the answer. This one is one answer. This one is another answer. Okay? Now see that this side, another addition I have written. 516. 516. So you write 100 tens and ones. So 6 plus 6, 12. 12, 2 will come and 1 will up. Always keep the right side number down and left side number up. Okay. So 6 plus 6, 12, 2, 1. 7 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Here this is 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So 5 plus 3, 8. 892 is the answer. Next come 8 plus 9, 17. So before that first again you write 100 tens and ones. 17, 9 plus 8, 17, 1 you have to keep it here. So 0, 0 nothing is there, direct 1 will come. So 4 plus 2, 6. 670 is the answer. Next, another one you see that. So children, this one see again. 8 plus 9 is 17. 7, 1 I kept up. Then 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 1. And 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. Now come to the next addition. So here again you write 100, tens and ones. So 9 plus 3, 12. 1. You have to keep it up. So 7, 8, 9, 10. So again you have to keep in hundreds 1. So direct 8 plus 1, 9. 902 is the answer. So this way you have to do the addition with carrying. Carrying means you are double digit is coming. When you have to start the addition of 3 digit or 2 digits always from right side, then only left side. Right side means from ones you have to start. So whatever double digit is coming, we cannot put it here. So 1 you have to carry, another 1 you have to put it. That means right side number you have to put down and left side number you have to carry. So these are the carrying. We are carrying the numbers. So let us do the next one. So children, here it is page number 61. Find the sum. Sum is also another name of addition only. This is nothing but addition. Addition means sum, altogether, all, addition, plus, joining. These all are the another words of addition. Clear? So find the sum means you have to add the following addition. But now here it is a 3-digit number. Here it is 3-digit number. So 351, 78, 248. So first what we have to do? We have to write 100, tens and ones. First that work only we have to do. So 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 1, 17. So 7 you have to write here, 1 you have to keep it. So 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 5, tell me, 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. So 1 again you have to put it here. So 2 plus 3, middle nothing is there. So 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 677. Next one you see that 7 plus 4. Or, okay, 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 2, how much? 13. So here also you have to write 100, tens and ones. Written? Now you have to write that 13, 1 you have to keep it up, 2, 3, 4 plus 6, 10, 0, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, again 1 up it will come, carrying, we are carrying 1. So here 3, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So 903 is the answer. So this way you have to carry and do the addition. Hope children you have understood today's topic, how to do the addition with carrying. As you will practice more, it will be easy for you. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.